Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of the most basic but powerful functions in Excel, the sum function. Whether you're budgeting, working with data sets, or you're just trying to add up your everyday life, this one sum will save you a crazy amount of time. So to start, I want to say that there are many ways to do this, but I will tell you and show you the 3 best ways to sum up any line, any column with as many line items as there are. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is the most common way that people use in an everyday life, especially me. So what we're going to do is equal sum. I'm going to drag it down. Anytime a formula is done in Excel, you have to do equals, just like in math. And what you can do here is you can drag the formula over, and it will drag and it will take the formula from the next column, so on and so forth. So that's the first way to do it. The second way to do it is a shortcut version of this. So what we can do is go to your cell, go to editing. This is the auto sum button, and it tells you it's auto sum. It'll tell you it'll add up these two. All you gotta do is press enter. And you're gonna drag it all the way down. And there you go. You get the same concept. You're adding up this, and then it's going to add up all of this, so on and so forth. Now the last way to do it is my absolute favorite. I use it every day at work. It's the Alt plus. So this is the shortcut for sum. Okay, so let's use it right here. So I'm going to go on my computer, press Alt, which is next to the space bar, then press plus, and it will drag down the formula. So did you see up there on the top here, if you hold it down, there's a lot of different ways and a lot of different shortcuts that Excel tells you about. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, like up here. We're going to do the same thing, and we're going to drag it all the way down, and there you go. So it's really up to your preference of what you would rather do. I think the one that requires the least amount of effort, it's just mindless, is definitely Alt plus. So this is definitely my number 1 go-to. Thank you guys for watching. I plan to make videos about a lot of the functions in Excel, from beginner to more advanced, a lot of different formulas, and please let me know if there's anything else specifically you want to see, and I will see you next time.